It's been all about the jammin' Jaycos on this segment. We've seen some great, well-made campers. I mean, look, Jayco knows what they're doing. They've been doing it right. They've been one of the top-selling brands for, gosh, since I had hair. And this one, not even a question when it comes to quality, space, and size. This is the 30 feet, 2-inch, 5,870-pound, 8-sleeping beauty known as the Jayco Jay Flight SLX 267BHSW. That's a lot of numbers and letters, so let me break it down to you. This is a bunkhouse RV that your family needs. Your family is yelling at you, and I know you've been yelling at yourself, so get them, throw them in, and take them out to the beautiful Pacific Northwest. Anywhere you want to go. Mount Hood, Mount Rainier, beach, mountains, lakes. I mean, throw them in the camper, and then when you get there, drop them off and leave. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. That's what I did, and my kids still have not let me forget it. But if you've been looking for a bunkhouse that your family's going to like, the way Jayco builds their RVs, you get the additional weights. For example, they're double over double bunks. Instead of a 300-pound capacity, you have 600-pound capacity on these. Easily fit 2 adults up there. They have the rounded edges as opposed to just the beveled cut. So you get the perception of having a little bit more room, because there is a little bit more room. And check out my storage underneath the bottom bunk. Good little hideaway spot right there. If you want to put some luggage, some fishing gear, some hunting gear. That's the other great thing about RVs. Bunk models are great for families, but more than that, if you got the guys' hunting trip, the ladies' weekend getaway to go to the wineries, whatever, the ladies' hunting trip, the ladies' fishing trip, the guys' wine tour, whatever you want to do, you can do in your RV because you're taking your home with you. And when you have quality construction, great warranties, things like J-Smart controls, J-Vision, you know, the Magnum Truss roofing, the additional weight on the bunks, you can sleep sound knowing that you got a quality product that's going to last for multiple seasons and your family's really going to enjoy. Got my privacy curtain right here on the bunk. And the best part, this one starts at $28,995 or as low as $7.17 a day. To sleep 8 people. That's less than $1 per head. You know what? Forget the family. Set this up out by the ocean and charge people $2 per person to stay in it. Now you're making your money back and then some. Gee, Chris, can you do my taxes? I can't even do mine. Right over here is our vanity sink for the bathroom, brushed nickel fixtures, solid wood cabinetry. Got my towel hanger there, some storage underneath. Got the solid door walking me into the bathroom. I got the porcelain bowl with the foot flush in here, the single surround tub shower combo, which is great if you have the dogs with you or the pet, or the kids, the dogs or the pets, because you can clean them off without tracking a lot of stuff through the camper. You do have the little tub surround right here, so you got a little bit of area to get the kids in there, get the dogs in there, get them cleaned out. The dome skylight does give me a little bit more headroom, even though I'm being 6'2", I have pretty much all the headroom I need anyway, even without it. Got the ducted AC in this one. You got the standard 13.5 and 30, 13.5 BTU AC, 30,000 BTU furnace. Look at the cabinetry. The Norcode fridge freezer combo runs on both gas and electric. Has the automatic switch. Got, I mean, just good space. Good to keep, you know, whatever you want to take with you. Keep this stuff cold in there. The other thing I like about Jayco's is how they build their dinettes. We get the storage underneath with the cabinet doors. Some of them even have like little containers inside you can use for additional organization. This reduces down, can easily sleep 1, maybe 2, because I mean, if you think about it, if you can sit 2 people here, or you know, a couple of kids and a couple of adults, you can probably sleep 2 adults if you can get in there and spoon. We always say for the jackknife sofas, you know, the booth dinettes, 1 person, but I like to curl up into a ball, especially camping, so you could probably get 2. Wood paneling around the windows, giving you additional security, additional support, strength, wood valances. I mean, just nice little touches that at the end of the day is worth your investment when it comes to your RV. And if you think about starting at $28,995 or as low as $7.17 a day to sleep 8 people in something that's 30 feet long, 5,800 pounds, and then you realize while you're eating the camp cooked meal or you're sitting here talking about what you did that day, maybe you went on some great hiking, you got some of the best hunting and fishing in the world up here in this area, you realize that what you're doing is you're creating those memories. You've reconnected, and you are creating those memories that you might not think about it now, but years down the road, you're going to remember. I still remember going camping in my dad's RV, gosh, 30 plus years ago. I can't remember where I parked today when I got to work, but I remember all those times we spent laughing and eating like the grilled cheese sandwiches and stuff like that right here, those reconnection moments. And it's worth it to you and your family to do it, because we didn't get a chance to do it in 2020. And when you can do it with things like residential lighting, sconces, large areas, slip resistant, easy to clean flooring, large prep areas for my kitchen. I mean, this isn't really roughing it anymore. You don't leave any creature comforts of home when you go out camping, and that's what's awesome. I mean, you got a 3-burner cooktop here with the glass cover, LED accent light on the controls. You got the oven right there, so if you want to bake something, maybe bake some shrinky dinks, you absolutely can. You got the pull-out sleeper sofa right here, plush, comfortable. Yet another reconnection spot that just gives you a chance to relax while you're out RVing. Got some storage up above. Furion TV right here on the swivel. Got my IRV Technologies command center as well with DVD, Bluetooth, HDMI, USB, tons of storage. I mean, you're not going to run out of storage any way that you go around these Jaycos. And to be 5,800 pounds, 30 feet long, can sleep 8, that's a pretty good combination. I mean, my truck can tow 7,500 pounds. So if you got a 1,500, you know, maybe you got one of them super jacked up SUVs. I mean, I don't know if they can tow 6,000 pounds, but always let our specialists kind of guide you through that process. People will say, hey, can my, V8 quad runner tow? But I'm like, what engine do you have in it? You know, what transmission, what type is it? What year is it? You know, there's so many factors other than here's the make and model of my vehicle. Can it tow this? That's why it's free and easy when you take it to Camping World and Gander to let them tell you how much your vehicle can tow, what's good for you to fit. And let them guide you down that path anyway. What are you towing with? How many people you need to sleep? And where are you going to take it? Because 4-season camping is much different from Portland than it is in St. Augustine. So you got to keep that in mind when you're picking out your RV. Kev, I'm going to go on this side, that side. You go on this side. There we go. Let's cut on some lights. Coming to the master, you got double pocket doors separating the master from the rest of the camper. Got mirrored ward storage on both sides. Got me some extensions over here, some 110 power. Look, I even got my little plush fuzzy pillow right here. Look, this is what I'm talking about. When I sleep, I get in there and I curl up like this. Usually if I have to sleep on one of them sofas, I grab my wife and we do that little curl up like this, and next thing you know, you're Z'ing out. You got the cross breeze going if you're at the mountains or something, or the lake. Oh man, it's such a nice experience. Blue LED accent light up there on my shelf. Right here, more ward storage on both sides. I mean, just a good experience. And I like how they did these TV mounts, these versatile mounts, so that you don't have to get multiple TVs if you want to take one inside or out. You got this here on your bedroom, and you got it outside as well. So you can actually there's a mount that backs to the TV and just slides on and slides off. Power and cable all right there. Some of the best warranties you're going to find in the industry too on this 2+3. Let your specialist tell you about that as well. This is the Jayco Jay Flight SLX 267BHSW, starting at $28,995 or as low as $7.17 a day. 5,870 pounds, can easily sleep 8, 30 feet 2 inches long. And if you're saying, Chris, you know what? I think I really like something like this. I've been looking for something lightweight. You say this is entry level with upgraded features. Look at the large awning with the LED light strip, the sealed safety glass all the way around, the enclosed underbelly, the aluminum wheels, nitro-filled tires on the Dexter Easy Lube axles with electronic independent brakes on each axle. That's a feature you're not going to find in a lot of RVs. And some of the best outside kitchens. Check this bad boy out. I got my Suburban 2-burner cooktop, my kitchen with the stainless steel fixture out here, my little hose. There's also an LP quick connect under there, my fridge. But they can show you and walk you through each and every feature inside these beauties. just drop us a comment down below, RV, or text RV to 46642. If you're looking for something like this with the solid mounted ladder, the spare tire on the back, set up for backup camera, and those extreme arch ceilings, which allows the rain, the snow, to not pool on top of the RV, which is really where you can get in trouble, but those nozzles make sure it doesn't fall on you or any of the slides, then what you need to do is talk to that specialist about, hey, I need this, I need this, I need this. I got questions about this, this, and this. Just take a look at the warranties. Here, they usually have it on one of the windows. 2+3, that's one of the best warranties you're going to find in the industry. Limited structural warranty. Plus, we got key to like, which means a lot of campers, when they get the 751 key to open up the storage. Not the case with Jayco. You get individual keys, just adding to that safety and security. Some other upgraded features: twin 30-pound LP tanks, diamond-plated rock guard. We got that Superflex roof going over the top, powered tongue jack, and let's check out the pass-through storage over here, Peck. Check this out. Finished off and accessible from under that master bed. I mean, just so many little things that unfortunately during the Ultimate RV Show National Tour, I won't get a chance to show you. So let the specialist guide you through. Drop a comment down below, RV, or text RV to 46642. Now, with over 80,000 factory fresh RVs coming, over 160 Camping World locations, if you say, Chris, I like this Jayco Jay Flight SLX 267. Sure, starting at $28,995 or as low as $7.17 a day, that's a great deal. But I don't need bunks. It's only me and my wife, me and my husband, me and my partner, whatever. Great. Drop fresh down below or text fresh to 46642. With over 80,000 RVs coming, we got one that's right for you. Now, you might be saying, well, Chris, I've heard the competition's got some pretty good deals. You can go to the competition and check them out. You can put a screen door on a submarine. You're gonna get the same result either way you go. Just wasting time, money, and effort, and just not gonna end up getting anywhere in the end results, because I'm gonna beat any deal that the competition has, or I'm gonna give you $1,000 in cash guaranteed. If you think you're at the competitor, you got a better deal, drop me a comment down below, BEAT, or text BEAT to 46642. It's been all about the Jam and Jaycos, and we got more with the Ultimate RV Show coming up next.